everyone to our new cooking series on our channel. Due to COVID-19, we're all in self-isolation, and what better way to keep yourself busy than cooking?
Guys, today we'll be cooking my favorite breakfast, menemen. It's a beautiful Turkish cuisine.
So the ingredients are eggs, tomatoes, green chili and some olive oil. So let's get started. While my brother's chopping up the green chilies, I'll be grating the tomatoes.
Guys, while you're cutting the green peppers, don't forget to watch out for your fingers.
The easiest way to grate the tomatoes is using a blender. So warning to earphone users.
Guys, step one, add some olive oil into the pan, and if you want you can also do it with butter and around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And guys, now add the pepper and give it a stir.
Once the peppers are fried, add the tomatoes. And stir. And while that's cooking, add some pepper and some salt. And give it a stir.
While he's stirring, I'm going to make some Turkish tea. You can use tea leaves or tea bags. Let me show you how to make it. I'm going to use tea leaves. Use about 1.5 scoops. Just put it on top of the kettle and wait for it to boil. Guys, put some boiled water into the teapot. Put around half of boiled water. Also put on the lid, which fell on the ground. And let it brew for 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that you can put it into the cups.
And lastly, it's time to crack the eggs. Guys, watch out, be careful, try not to get any shells in there. I'm using 5 eggs. But you could use as many as you want. Now give it a bit of a stir for a few minutes. After a few minutes of stirring, your menemen is ready to eat.
With some tea. Afiyet olsun.
So after all the hard work, now you can enjoy your meal.
And your Turkish tea.
With some bread.
It's good to have menemen with some bread.